In this video, I am installing a slop sink. The old sink was a cast iron sink, if I'm not mistaken. It rusted out by the drain. I'm going to be using PEX. Enjoy the video. It's going to be kind of quick. Drop a like, please. Hit the subscribe button. I really want the quality of my videos to improve. I want to get better at posting, and I want to post more consistently. I'm hoping with the feedback that I receive, the quality of my videos will go up. It'll encourage me to record more, to upload more, and edit. The editing just sucks. It takes me a long time to edit things, and I need the practice. So please drop a comment, hit the like button, subscribe if you're feeling so generous. It's free. Just saying, subscriptions are free, regardless. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, so right here you're gonna notice me kind of double checking my work, and I'm noticing that the heights are not equal right there on those two valves. And I did not realize, you'll see me pick up these two packages. I believe one of them was 1/2 inch and the other one was 1 inch. So just a reminder to always check your labels beforehand. So I don't know what I was thinking, but it certainly was not Teflon tape. I don't know how I forgot or why I thought it wouldn't leak, whatever the case may be. After I finished putting all of my connections together, I turned on the water and it was leaking around the fittings. And it was just a little dribble drabble, but it was enough to warrant me taking everything apart again, or at least redoing the last few steps so that I can get some good Teflon tape on there. And that's what you see me doing here. So we'll pick up where we left off. There you have it. The job is done. Water's running strong. Sink looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up here. Get all the gunk out the bottom of the, the sink itself, the basin. But yeah, I was very happy with the way this came out. I wanted to run all the pipes straight. I didn't want any bends on the PEX itself, so a little heavy on the 90s, but it's symmetrical and it looks decent. So I'm super happy with the way it came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it very much. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.